Kandao Meeting Ultra. Tutorial. Remote controller pairing. Simultaneously long press the OK and volume down buttons for about 5 seconds until the indicator light blinks. The indicator light is off after pairing successfully. Note: after the first pairing, press any key on the remote control every time you use it to automatically pair. The pairing method of USB mode and standalone mode is the same. View settings. Global view. A 360-degree field will be displayed. Gallery view. An automatic layout or up to 8 boxes layout can be selected. It showcases all the attendees equally and highlights the speaking person. Speaker view. An automatic layout or up to 7 boxes layout can be selected. It highlights the speaking individual while displaying other attendees separately in smaller boxes. View lock mode. Enter by short pressing the lock button of the remote. A lock icon will show up in the bottom left corner of the screen, and so will a blue selection border. Select the window by pressing the left and right keys on the remote control or touch the screen. Click the OK button to start the adjustment, and the selection border turns white. Use the direction buttons on the remote to adjust the viewing angle. Use the volume up and volume down buttons to zoom in or out, or adjust with your fingers on the touch screen. Press the OK button on the remote or click other parts of the touchscreen to complete. Please note: the frame and viewing angle will be locked until the subsequent manual unlocking. 360-degree panorama. A panorama view will be shown on top when it toggles on. Ignore zone. When it is toggled on, an ignore zone icon will appear in the lower left corner of the screen, and the selected area will be ignored and will no longer be displayed in the small window. This area is also shaded in the top panorama. It is suitable for ignoring screens, external speakers, or doorways with pedestrians passing by. Camera settings. You can set the exposure value, HDR, video inversion, video mirroring, resolution and tracking sensitivity. Mic noise reduction is to adjust the noise suppression level for the meeting you're in. During the meeting, you can also tap the assistive touch for camera settings. In the USB mode, if the video cannot be displayed normally, such as compression, black screen, etc., please try to long press the resolution switch button on the remote for 5 seconds, or click resolution switch in the camera settings, and the output resolution will be switched. In the USB mode, you can switch the H.264 encoding in Settings, Video, encoding format. Resolution description. System upgrade. When the Meeting Ultra is connected to the network, if automatic detection is enabled, a pop-up window will appear asking whether to upgrade when new firmware is detected, and you can choose to update when free. Or go to Settings, System Upgrade, and choose to automatically download and update the firmware when free. Local recording. Open the Camera Tool application on the home page. Click the Rec button on the screen or short press the Rec button on the remote to start recording. Click the Rec button again to stop recording. Please note: use the conference software to record an online conference. Exit conference software before a local recording. Resolution switching is not supported during recording. To switch resolution, please stop the recording. A micro SD card needs to be inserted before recording. Support FAT32 or exFAT format, maximum 1 TB storage. Screen mirroring. 1. Through AirPlay or Miracast. Go to Settings, Screen Mirroring to start. Make sure Kandao Meeting Ultra and your device are on the same LAN. Turn on the AirPlay or Miracast on your device and select Kandao Meeting Ultra. For the Windows PC, press the shortcut Win key plus K key, then select Kandao Meeting Ultra. Please note: the function may be named variously on different mobile terminals. Please contact the device manufacturer for more information. 2. Through IP address. Make sure Kandao Meeting Ultra and your computer are on the same LAN. Enter the IP address in the browser to start screen mirroring. Please note: audio sharing is not supported when screen mirroring through the IP address. Access meeting via link. Go to Settings, Screen Mirroring, and turn it on. Make sure Kandao Meeting Ultra and your computer are on the same LAN. Enter the shared IP address in the browser, then enter the meeting link. Click Enter to quickly join the online meeting. Please note: when joining a meeting via a link, the screen mirroring through IP address will stop. Share screen in a conference. Wireless screen sharing. Start the screen sharing feature of your video conferencing software. Select Wireless Screen Mirroring in the prompt window. Click Start Now. Then the screen will be shared with online attendees. Wired screen sharing. Start the screen sharing feature of your video conferencing software. Select HDMI and wired projection in the prompt window. Click Start Now. Please connect the computer to the HDMI in port, and the computer screen will be shared with remote participants while being cast locally. Screen extension. When toggled on, dual monitors can show different things. Each time you open an application, there will be a pop-up window asking which monitor you want to display on.